got this Hart vacuum cleaner. It's on clearance for about half price at Walmart. So I'm just gonna jump into it really quick here. And Hart makes really good quality tools for the most part. I really haven't been disappointed with anything because I've gotten like all of my Hart tools on super clearance. Little instruction manual. Oh, that's a cool little attachment, a little bit different. Little piece to hold the tools. So they use styrofoam on the top. That's cool. Nice extendo arm piece. Wow, this thing's got some weight to it. Wow. Yeah. Like, I'm really surprised with how heavy this thing is still. It's like nothing wants to come all the way out. So I'm going to take this piece. There we go. Everything is kind of stuck in the box, so you gotta really pull on this thing to get it out. Kind of ridiculous, actually. But you know that it's packaged really well, at least. Come on. I'm gonna have to rip the box. It's driving me crazy, so. Just putting the whole side of the box open. The struggle is real with this one. They really cram-packed it into here. There's this cool little handle. It's like 2 chunks of styrofoam around each side. Wow. That was a chore to get that out of the box though, guys. Wow. Wild. All right. So the quality is definitely in the weight. That's nice. You know, the thing I'm always curious about is like how loud is the vacuum? And I can't believe how many vacuums I've gone through this year. I could probably just look through my YouTube channel and figure out how many vacuums I've destroyed in 12 months. Okay. So this is the handle for the whole thing. No, it's not. Almost like, I don't know, it fits nicely right there, but this is a weird little clipping mechanism. Interesting. Well, this piece has got to click into here. Oh, there we go. It has one of those suction control things on the top. I thought it was there to lock it into place, but huh. I don't even know if that's really what I'm supposed to do here, but I hate reading instructions, so that's what we're gonna do. I've got this little piece to Looks like the same kind of piece as that, so it probably slides on over here somehow. This little piece of plastic that came with it. See, which way does it start? There we go. Nice and clicked in. That's a nice design. It just goes straight. So far, I'm really liking this, guys. It has a really long cord. I got this vacuum this year that was like the shortest cord ever. We had to just put an extension cord with the vacuum. It's so crazy how time consuming it is, just unplugging the vacuum, plugging it in somewhere else. It makes more sense for me to buy a new vacuum. Come on. There we go. Well, let's see. Nice. That's pretty sweet. Like a pretty powerful vacuum. It's not too loud. It's simple. Let's see. So that wasn't even on brush roll. I guess. There it is. Nice. Yeah, if you can pick this up on clearance, I would say jump on it, guys. It's a good full-size vacuum, long cord.